It is 2026. You ask ChatGPT what happened yesterday in the news. It tells you it does not know. It was trained months ago and never learned a thing since. That blind spot is exactly where Retrieval-Augmented Generation was born. In Hunter x Hunter, before attacking the Chimera Ant royal palace, Netero does not charge in. He sends scouts first to map the palace, identify the threats, and bring the intel back. That is reconnaissance. Retraining a frontier model from scratch costs 9 figures and takes months. Your private documents change every day. Privacy laws make uploading them to OpenAI a non-starter. So the model cannot just learn everything in advance, it has to look things up at runtime. Now imagine asking a brand new employee, on day one, a question about your company's internal wiki. They have read nothing yet. They cannot help. That is exactly GPT without RAG. Your AI does the same thing now. Before it answers your question, it can scout a knowledge base, your documents, the web, a private database, and bring the intel back. That is RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Here is the trick. Every document, every paragraph, every sentence in your knowledge base gets converted into a long list of numbers called an embedding. The numbers carry the meaning. In that number space, king sits closer to queen than it does to lemon. Two things that mean the same thing land near each other. Two things that mean different things sit apart. Here is how it scouts. Your question becomes a vector, a list of numbers. Every document in the knowledge base is also a vector. The AI finds the closest matches. Who has what I need? Once the scouts come back, Netero uses their intel to plan the attack. RAG does the exact same thing. The retrieved passages get stuffed into the prompt as context right before the model answers. Scout, retrieve, inject, answer. Concrete example. Without RAG, you ask ChatGPT what your company's refund policy is. It guesses. It might hallucinate a clause that does not exist. With RAG, the same question retrieves your real policy document, injects it into the prompt, and the model quotes the actual clause back. Same model, different answer. Google gives you 10 blue links. RAG gives you the synthesized answer with citations on your own data. Perplexity, Claude projects, ChatGPT search, all running this. The 10 blue links era is ending. RAG is not magic. It fails when the chunks are wrong size, when the top retrieval returns junk, when the embedding model does not understand your domain. A medical RAG that retrieves the wrong patient file is worse than no RAG at all. Engineers who ship this pick the chunk size, the embedding model, and the re-rank step on purpose. Here is the part most people miss. ChatGPT without RAG is kite fighting Pidu blind. With RAG, the model walks in with the map already drawn. It did not get smarter. It just stopped answering without a scout. That was episode 2 of AI Times Anime Deep Dives. Next week, LoRA is Nen's specialist and why DeepSeek is a manipulator type, where AI meets the anime generation. Subscribe.